Kababayan Today, kasama natin ang ating kababayan mula sa Hawaii na nandito na sa Los Angeles at magta-talk story tayo with Thea Fernandez. Thea, I'm so glad you're here because it seems like, you know, Kababayan Today airs in Hawaii and here in LA. So you are perfect on this show. And that's why it's so important to reach out to our kababayans in both places and give them advice about how to be healthy, because as you mentioned earlier, you really wanted to pursue this route because it's personal to you, because you lost your father. Seeing, you know, how he wasn't living the best life he could.
Yes.
So because of this, you are now working at UCLA Health, right? Even though she's a Trojan.
Right on.
Right? Okay. We're not going to get into that here, right? Bruin versus Trojan. But let's talk about what you do for your job. What is it that you do for UCLA Health?
Yes, of course. So I work in a primary care clinic, and I help coordinate health services for high-risk patients as a comprehensive care coordinator. And so those patients who kind of need a little hand-holding and have kind of their chronic conditions out of control, I work together with a doctor and a team of a nurse and a social worker and kind of see what are the barriers of their health care and try and see if they can, you know, comply with their medical treatment plan and kind of change their behaviors a little bit so that they'll be a lot healthier instead of going back to the hospital.
All right. Are you able to work with Filipinos as well?
Yes, definitely. But of course, it depends on the insurance. But we do have, you know, a diverse community that uses UCLA Health system. So yes, I see patients of all ethnicities, especially Filipinos, though, too.
Okay, so let's talk about the Filipinos that do see you for your job. What usually are the symptoms that they're going in for, and how do you feel that, you know, through changing their lifestyle, they can live healthier?
Yeah, that's right. So I know that in our community, our people kind of suffer from chronic diseases such as hypertension and diabetes. And I'm not sure if our community knows that these chronic diseases, as you age, can exacerbate if you don't change your lifestyle. And the earlier that you change your lifestyle and adopt healthy behaviors, you know, the more that'll turn into habits over time, and you'll kind of delay the process of developing these chronic diseases over time.
Okay, because in my family alone, someone was diagnosed with diabetes, but I heard that through diet, this is reversible.
Correct.
So instead of drinking pills, right, and going on medication, what can they do?
Yes, that's right. So they can first, you know, change their diet to something, to eat a lot healthier foods, no added sugars, because, you know, diabetes is elevated blood sugar levels that are uncontrollable, and they need medication to control the levels of their blood sugar. And also regular physical activity. That getting that heart pumping really helps lower your blood cholesterol and blood sugar levels, and really keeps your heart healthy and keeps your body healthy. So I feel like if they incorporate that little bit of physical activity in their daily life, they'll see a change in their blood sugar levels.
Okay, well, it looks to me that you really know what you're talking about. This is what you specialize in. Thea, we would love for you to come back on Kababayan Today and just give us, you know, some healthy tips on how we can change our lifestyle to become healthier and happier. Yeah?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, because here on Kababayan Today, we do a variety of wellness activities, and we also had recently Fatima Bustos Choi, and she was trying to teach our kababayans about, you know, the importance of meditation, and she even introduced the book to us. So we would love for you to come back and, you know, give us some tips. That being said, what can you possibly share with us, and what can the viewers look forward to should you be back?
Oh yes, well, if I'm invited back, for sure, I think that you guys can look forward to learning a few dances.
Yes!
Yes!
That's masaya!
Yes, that's right. So get ready to party, and we'll learn some dances that'll really target certain parts of the body so that you can tone and also get that heart pumping.
Yes.
You can do it at home.
Like they said, let's jam.
That's right, let's jam.
Or hele on with Thea.
Yes.
Okay. And then besides dance moves, maybe you can also give some advice on, you know, the things that we should cut out of sort of our lifestyle.
Yes, that's right. I'll be doing healthy tips along the way and give you some wellness tips that you guys can, easily adopt into your life. We want to make sure that it's small, achievable goals instead of looking at something that's not achievable and make it really big. We want to focus on small little changes, because when we focus on those small little changes, it'll last a longer time. It'll develop into a habit.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you so much, Thea, for being here. Please check out Thea on Instagram. Tell us about it.
Yes, that's right. You can follow me on Instagram. It's tia.livewell, and just go ahead and follow it.
Yeah, wonderful.